Hi, I'm Jessie, third generation rider. Doing a legacy build. My dad's first motorcycle was a '69 Triumph Bobber, so I'm building it from the ground up. This is the initial frame, but I ordered some parts off Lowbrow Customs. They came in. I got a rear end and some seat mounts. Inside my package, I got this. I opened it up and looked at it, and I'm the third Lowbrow Customs Golden Ticket winner. This thing is heavy. It is awesome. First time ever using Lowbrow, and to walk away with an award like this is just really, really sweet. Super happy about it. Matter of fact, I'm gonna hang this thing in the garage so it never goes anywhere. Thank you, Lowbrow Customs. And I look forward to showing you the build when it's complete.